Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to transfer money from AttaPoll to PayPal. First, make sure you have an active and verified PayPal account ready for the withdrawal. Open the AttaPoll app and go to your balance section. Once you reach the required payout amount, select the option to request payment and choose PayPal as your payment method. Enter the email address connected to your PayPal account and check it carefully before continuing. Confirm your payment request and wait for AttaPoll to process the withdrawal. Processing times can vary depending on the payment and any additional verification required. Once the payment is completed, open PayPal and check your balance or recent transactions to confirm that the money has arrived. If you don't see the payment immediately, give it some time and check that the PayPal email you entered matches your account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.